So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can open Google on an Apple Watch. So first things first, you're going to get your iPad or other Apple device. You're going to tap on Messages. You're going to open a conversation with yourself, which I have already done. And then you're going to type in a link to Google. www.google.com. Click enter and send. It should then be sent back to you. You can now turn your iPad off. You're going to want to turn on your Apple Watch, go into the app selector and select Messages. You're then going to want to open your chat with yourself, which I've already done. Scroll up to the message you sent yourself, click on the link, and Google will open. Open it like you would in other messages, either with your voice, hello, and then search, and it'll load, or if you tap on it, you can search using the swipe thing. Like you would do for messages. Let it load, and then you can scroll down the page with the scroll wheel. That is how you open Google on your Apple Watch. You can also use it to open other websites, say you sent yourself a YouTube link or things like that. But then again, you could just search up YouTube or any of those other websites from your watch. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe.